Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is January 23rd. We are Sunday at around 3 p.m. in the afternoon, and I will be doing the January 21st video, the Friday video that I did not get around to doing. So some of you know that I have been sick for over a week, and what I learned last week after doing my video was that I got COVID also. So sinusitis was not enough, so I got COVID on top of it. That was pretty brutal. I seem to be doing a little bit better now, so I feel like my energy levels is increasing. This is why I am giving it a go for the Palantir and Tesla video before the opening on Monday. So let's look at what Palantir did last Friday. So we closed at $13.53. Down $1.09. That's 7.46%. This is completely crazy. So Palantir is just dropping like a rock. Dropping like a rock. And let me just do this here. So we have this quite steep downward trend on top of the regular channel that's going downward. This is pretty crazy. We have a red candle on Friday, and we seem to have obeyed $14.42. So we had identified that as a potential support, and it was used as support. So I'm glad to see this. So it was used as support for 2 days, but then it was not respected Friday. So Friday, it's still going down. I don't think it's worth it going onto the 1-hour chart. So there was a little bit of a blimp here. So maybe, yes. So we had a little bit of a support at 1353. 1353 was a support, and we went up a little bit and then came back down to it. So maybe this is a significant support. So we are going to have to see next week what is happening with that. Aside from that, the stock is just dropping like a rock. And we have the bottom of the channel that is going to be around $11. So yes, I would not be surprised if the stock would go back to $11. Because we have a nice support at $11, and this would also coincide with this bottom of the channel at the same time. So it would make sense that the stock would be taking a big pause there. And then there is going to be the earnings call at some point. So on February 15th. Okay, so we still have a long way to go before that happened. So personally, I'm just watching it drop. I don't intend in buying and dollar cost averaging as it's dropping, because I don't like to use that kind of strategy. I prefer to wait until the stock stabilizes downward, makes a bottom, and then I'm still going to wait until it starts going up again. So there's no point in trying to catch a falling line. Thank you very much for watching. You can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great rest of your weekend. We are going to most likely talk tomorrow on Monday. I feel better than I felt last time I did a video. So hopefully the trend is still going up for my health. And I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.